Alright folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Herumba. Good to see you guys again. I'm excited to be here, and I don't know about you, but I'm excited to be here, and I'm excited that you're here. Alright, in the last video we shared 5 essential tools that you need as a forex trader to be successful in the market. Whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced trader, you've been trading for a while, or you're a beginner and you just, like when I started, you're just looking for ways to get started. You're looking for tools that you can start using, and you're not yet, maybe you've been making research. Just like when I started, I did a lot of research. Oh my god, almost 2 years or about a year. Maybe if you're like me, then you don't even know how to start, but you've heard about forex, you've heard about cryptocurrency trading and all that, but you don't know where to start from. I said this video is for you, and this channel is also for you. So if you're new to this channel, I'll say you should do something, and there is something that you must have gotten so used to. You must have gotten a lot of YouTubers telling you to do, and that is to subscribe. Yes, if you're not subscribed yet, I will say you should do that. Supporting us will also make others, make the videos available to others, so that they can also get this information passed on to them. All right, so that video I shared, in this video I'm going to be showing 5 essential tools plus an additional extra tips on how to start your financial markets. And if you've not seen that video yet, the link should be in the description below, and also you should be seeing the video here right now. So you should click on the video and watch it so you can get more information about this video that we're about to give to you right here. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing to you how you can connect your Bybit account with your MT5. Yes, the broker Bybit. If you are interested in using the Bybit broker, you should register, and there should be a link. There will be a link right here in the description. So you should click on that link so that you can also register. I will also be sharing a video on the Telegram channel. All right, we have a community of traders. We're also learning how to trade the forex market together, so you should go join the Telegram group. Is also in the description below, where I'll be sharing the video of how to create your MT5 your Bybit account rather, from the scratch. If you don't have a Bybit account, I'll be showing you how to do that in the channel. All right, so if you're interested in knowing how to connect your Bybit account to your MT5 so that you start trading and start your trading journey immediately, so hang on and watch this video from the beginning to the end, which will be very, 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 very informative, and you're going to get value from it. I promise you that. Okay, so if you're ready, why not just join me? Let's go ahead. All right, so let's continue. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Bybit, your trading account, to the MT5 platform, so you'll be able to trade your forex peers. Okay, so 3 things I'm going to be showing us in this video, in this section of the video, is how to fund your account, how to buy USDT from P2P markets and fund your account. And also at the end of the video, I'm also going to be showing you how to sell the same, all right, to the P2P market, because I've gotten some DMs asking me how to do that. And then number 2, I'm going to be showing us how to link your account to MT5. Okay, and finally how to transfer your funds to your MT5 account. Okay, once you link your Bybit to your MT5, then the next thing will be to transfer the funds to the MT5 platform. All right, so we'll be starting now. Sorry about that. So when you open your Bybit, this is what you're going to be seeing. Similar thing like this is what you'll see. All right, so to make sure that you're verified, you click on this image here. All right, click on this image here and click on it. Go to settings. Okay, these settings, go to settings to make sure that you are verified. Click on settings, and then the next thing is check this identity verification. All right, you click on identity verification. So as you can see, at least make sure you've done the first identification, the first KYC. Make sure you've done level 1 before you'll be able to run your P2P transactions. Make sure you've done level 1. No matter the country you are, it's always the same thing. You can use your driver license, or you can as well use driver license. You can as well use a government issue ID card. You can use your ID. If you're in Nigeria, you can use your NIN, or you can use your driver license. You can as well use your passport, all right, to verify your account. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to be going to the P2P market, which is you'll see it some here. This is the P2P, okay? You see it here, and if you don't see it here, right, it will be here. It will be on this more, okay? You'll be seeing it on the more button. So you click on the more. Once you click more, you see it right here. It's showing here P2P. All right, so let's go to P2P. All right, I'm also going to show us a trick. All right, I'm going to show us something. These are all the ads because I've not opened this P2P for some time, so they will show you the same thing. All right, okay, so let's go. Okay, so once you're here in P2P, can't buy. What's going on? So go to active mode. So I'm just going to skip all this. All right, so once we get to the P2P market, all right, so we get to the P2P market, this is what you will see. You see, this is the buy side, okay? This is the buy side. This is the buy side, and then you click on this side here, this sell here. Now you click on it, and then if you want to sell, this is when you will want to sell. So let's go to buy, since we'll be buying. All right, so what we'll do now, let me teach you a little trick on the P2P, because you can see this ineligible, and all that, okay? Like I said, this account, I've not been using this account for a long time. I just activated it now to do this video. Okay, so this is why we are seeing most of this ineligible, because most of the traders, they put their conditions as somebody that have traded for the last 30 days. So most of the time, if you've not been active, or you've not bought or sold anything for the last 30 days, you won't be able to buy from some of these merchants. All right, but to be able to just go straight and see people that you'll be able to sell or buy from, you click on this filter. Okay, click on this filter, click on filter. So you click on this filter here. Okay, so it's not responding. So you can see this show only verify ads, show only block ads, show only eligible ads, and all that. So you click on show only eligible ads, so that all the ads, that's all the people that you can buy USDT from, will come to the top of the chart. Okay, so you click on confirm, and then another trick is you go to this mode of payment. All right, to make it faster. Okay, so you go to mode of payment and click on bank transfer. All right, so you confirm. All right, and then you go to amount and you click on it for you to get a good rate. All right, always check a little bit to be higher than the amount you want to sell, although you might not see it. Like for example, now if you want to buy like 10,000 naira, you can search for maybe 15,000, 20,000, and then if you see ads that are way higher than that, you can then go for 10,000. But for now, I think we'll be getting, let's just get about 10 USDT. So let's get about 10 USDT. So what do? We'll search for 15,000 naira. All right, it depends on your location and the country you are in. This right here, all right, you can just change it. Normally it will be in USD. Okay, you can click it because I'm in Nigeria and we use the Nigerian naira. All right, you can see different currency here, and then you go here and click your particular currency, the one that you use that is particular to your country. All right, so we can see this ads now. Okay, I think I did 100,000, that's why it came out. So let's do 15,000 naira. Okay, we search for 15,000. Okay, you can see now this guy, now you need verification level 2. Since this account is the verification level 1, you might not be able to get from this guy. So let's go up here, and then we can see that these two guys are a bit cheaper, but this guy now is 15,000. This guy is a bit higher than this guy. Okay, the second guy, okay, is a bit higher than the first guy that needs level 2 verification. So we can click on this guy to get our, currently now I think if you check it, this is 1,541. So 10 USDT should be around that 15,000 naira. All right, so if I click on 15,000, we'll be getting 9 USDT. Right, so let's do 16,000 naira. So you can see 16,000 naira is exactly 10.3 and all that, and the rest cents that is after it. So you click on buy. Most of the time these guys might not be active, and especially now it's past 1 a.m. in the night, so they might not be active. So you just come here to say hi, are you active? All right, you can just do this to ensure it's active. You can see is also read the terms. Make sure you always read the terms. Okay, he has read it. As you can see, this guy is active. So always read this term. Okay, you can see it doesn't add kobo. All right, those in Nigeria understand what the kobo is. All right, the kobo is the last it just is compared to a cent. All right, the kobo is compared to a cent. Right now we don't have any kobo here. Assuming we have like 16,510 naira, 34 kobo, right here in this amount that we'll be paying. All right, we don't have it there, so we don't have a problem. All right, make sure you always verify this guy. If you have the time, you can see his other ads, you can see his review. So the guy has made 99% completion rates in the last 90 days. All right, his rating is 99. So this is the buy and the sell. The buy is 6,458 buys, and he have sold almost 6,000, and so orders completed in the last 30 days. So this person is legit and we are good to go. So what we'll do now is to copy his account details. All right, just click on pay now since the guy is active. All right, click on pay now here. Click on pay now. Okay, it's down here. This guy is disturbing me. So you click on pay now here. All right, so this is his account. You can see his account and all that. All right, so we'll copy it, and then we'll go make payment. So I'm going to be pausing the video to go make the payments, then we'll be back here. All right, so I've made the payments, and then you see, please, when you're making your transaction, in the description, do not put any crypto related word. Don't put buy USDT or crypto or anything, because most of us live in countries where cryptocurrency is a bit, is not yet entertained or welcomed fully. All right, you might get in trouble it might put you in trouble if you have to put a name at all. If you have to put anything, you can just use the person's name, or you can just use your name. All right, you can just use your name. So do not input any crypto related word. So since we've made payments, we'll be clicking on payments made. Okay, so payment completed. We've made the payment and the guy is active. So tick this. I understand. Completing this transfer requires leaving the platform and all that. And confirm that I will pay using account with legal name. So we've completed the payments. So what we'll be waiting for now is for the guy to send us the USDT. Okay, so we'll go here to your account. Once the guy make the payment, it will come to your assets. All right, to come to funding. Normally every amount, every once you fund your account, it goes directly to funding. If you fund your account, it goes directly to funding. So also if you want to make sales, it will also be in funding. It's way easier. All right, when it's in funding. Let's just quickly transfer this cents, 36 cents, to the funding. Okay, so you can see here funding accounts to unified. So you just click on this toggle arrow here, all right, to make the amount that is in the trading unified trading accounts to the funding account max. Okay, so let's check. I think it's in sub accounts. Okay, I created many accounts back then. Okay, can't find it. Let's just continue. So as the guy made the payments, let's go back and check what is keeping our USDT. Okay, I think there's a message pending coin release. It has not yet released, so let's write in payments made, release coin. Okay, so let's wait for him to release the coin. All right, so this guy should have released this coin now. But then when he released the coin, it's going to be in our funding account. Okay, it's going to be here. But since we have a little money here, we are going to go ahead while he fund our account. So the next thing now that we are going to be doing, you also click on this more here. Okay, once you click on the more, then now we are going to be, what we are trying to do now is to link our Bybit account, that's this Bybit account now, with MT5. Okay, so that we can be able to trade the Forex market. All right, so this is an easy way to send money to and from your Forex, your MT5 account to your Bybit. So this is one of the reasons why I use Bybit and why I love them, because they have, apart from having a very good spread, like a low spread, it's also easier. Once I'm able to fund my Bybit, it's also easier to transfer money there. So you can see this gold and FX here. So you click on it and FX. So you can see this open MT5 account and all that. So you click on this open MT5 account. Okay, so click on open MT5 account. You can see their terms and conditions. So you click and agree on the terms and conditions. I know many of us don't read terms and conditions. Okay, but whenever you can, always make sure to read it. Okay, so nothing will take you by surprise. So the next thing is to create a password. So we're going to create a unique password. Okay, you can, I don't know the password that you might use, but I can just use what password we use now. All right, okay, are you sure they will be able to take this password? Okay, let's do that again. It's cancelled. I don't know why that happened. Okay, all right, so it didn't take it. All right. Okay, let's put a character. All right, so that means that initial one should be able to take it. All right, okay, so you repeat the password here. You repeat the same password here. Okay, say the two passwords did not match. Oh wow. So let's repeat that again. We'll create that. Okay, 2025. Okay, it remains a character. So when creating your password, make sure you have a capital letter that's in caps lock. Make sure one of the letters is in uppercase, and then a unique character like hash, like dollar sign, like underscore and dash and all that. Okay, that's the character that you put. So all right, so you click once you provide the password, you click on create my account. So you can see now you've been given an account ID and also your password. You can see this password now. This is your password. All right, this is your password. This is the password, the master password that we are going to be using. Okay, so this is the account and this is the password. Make sure you take note of the account number. I'm going to do a screenshot quickly. So make sure you take note of the account number and also the password. Okay, so yeah, after you've done that, we'll now go to our MT5. Okay, so this is our MT5. I created an app, I created dual app for both MT5, and this is my main MT5, and this is my main MT5 here, my main Bybit here. So I created a dual app. My phone allows me to do that. So we'll go to our MT5 account. As you can see, there's nothing here. This is an empty MT5. Does not been logged in yet. So when you open this, initially when I opened it, there were some things they will tell you, do you agree to the terms and condition and all that? So you can just click it. So the next thing that you just do is click on this add account. All right, this add account here. Okay, click on this add account. What's wrong with my pencil? Okay, click on the add account. Okay, and then when you go to add accounts, you see this search button up here, this search button here. So you are going to click, just touch it, and then your keyboard comes up. You search for Bybit. So once you search for Bybit, you see the Infra Capital Limited Bybit. You click on it. All right, so you change this to Bybit Live. A demo account is not a demo account. All right, you're trading a live account, so you change this to Bybit Live. So you can see space for login and for password. So the login now, we go back to this. All right, 7279110. okay, so login your account with 7279110. all right, yes, we are correct. And then you put your password 2025 hash. Okay, so once that is done, you click on log in. So you can see we are logged in. This is your account now for this Bybit. You can see this is your account. You can see 00. There's no equity here right now. So what we'll do now to put in funds into this account, we'll go back to Bybit, and then click on go to my dashboard. So you can see it. This is what will be showing here. Okay, so this is it. All right, so this is it. So then you come here. Okay, let's go see if you can see the young man has made the payment. He has sent the money to our account, so you can see it now, the $10. So it's successful now. So we go back to the gold, we click on more, and you go back, you get the gold and FX. Click on it, then you click on transfer. This is what you will click on, transfer. Okay, you click on transfer. Yeah, so, and then you can see it, funding to MT5. All right, this is the, you can see here, right here is the amount of money we have on our funding account. Okay, so we are moving money from the funding to MT5. All right, so if you can click on this toggle button. Okay, whenever maybe you want to move your money back to Bybit, maybe you made some profit and you want to move your money back to Bybit, you click on this toggle button here, and then you can see it. Now we are moving from MT5 to our funding account. Then you can just go to your P2P and sell. But at the moment, we'll be moving from our funding account because we are moving from our Bybit to our MT5 account. So you click on max. Let's move the whole money. Click on max. That's the maximum amount that is here, and then you click on confirm. All right, see, that's how easy it is. It is that easy. That's it. So we've sent the money there now, and then you see your balance. You see what is written here. You know, your balance is pending an update due to an ongoing fund transfer. Please wait for the process to complete. This doesn't take time at all. It takes less than a minute to get it to your account. So we can just come here and wait for it. I would have paused the video, but I want us to, okay, you can see that it's already reflected. So, you know, I just wanted us to see it in real time, how long it takes for the money to drop into your account. So that's technically how you fund your Bybit account, how you connect it to your MT5, and how you send money to it. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing us how to trade, and then how to trade properly with the proper risk management, how to enter a trade here, and start trading with your MT5 account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, so if this video gets you value, if you learn something from this video, do well to like the video if you've not done that already, and also subscribe if you've not subscribed. You can also share it so that somebody that you know might need this video to see it, we get it to the person. So see you next time in our next video, where I'll be showing you how to enter a trade and how to calculate your risks properly. All right, see then, take care of yourself.